Since after this is Mesolithic, and hereafter it is going to be Neolithic settlement. And thereafter they are going to adopt copper as the metal, Chalcolithic stage they are going to enter. And thereafter Vedic people are going to come. In later Vedic time period, that is why in later Vedic literature you will find Sanskrit words along with Munda tribe words also. Because in Chota Nagpur place, today also Munda tribe is there. They follow their language, and some of these language terms entered into Vedic literature as well. That means some indigenous people who are already settling much before later Vedic people, they integrated some of these ideas into the Vedic literature. And who are these people? These people. So since Mesolithic time period, continuous settlements are happening. But today, India is overpopulated everywhere. But that time,